It's time to reconnect. Successful collaboration starts with the space, so creating purposeful and flexible environments on the go is more critical than ever before. But how can you serve multiple needs in just one space? Meet Latch. This fully integrated collection includes tables, a media wall, a whiteboard, shelving units, and hospitality cart. Anyone can connect furniture by simply snapping a latching clip onto the connecting bars. No tools or instructions required. A traditional training environment can be transformed into a collaborative space in a matter of minutes. An ideation space tailored to your team, or a nook for solo, heads-down work. By bringing the entire Latch collection together, you have endless options to transform your everyday office space into a productive work environment for any need. Latch is all about flexibility and choice, and that includes its standard finish options. Choose from 2mm edges, available in 38 colors and 9 wood grains, endless laminate choices, and 76 spec tone metal finishes. Find out more by visiting specfurniture.com or by reaching out to our customer service team.